You used to need a set of these to unlock and start your car, but thanks to modern technology, you no longer have to waste time fumbling around for your keys to get behind the wheel. Yet, while keyless entry systems are no doubt convenient, a car maker's sacrificing your security in the process. Almost all keyless cars are vulnerable to a high-tech hack called the relay attack. By placing one of these router-like boxes near your vehicle and the other close to where you keep your key, thieves can lengthen the radio signal produced by your fob, tricking your car into thinking the key is within close enough range to be unlocked and started in a matter of seconds. More than 80,000 cars were stolen in England and Wales last year, an increase of almost 40% on the previous year. Digital vehicle thefts like the relay attack are believed to be driving the surge.
We've seen some cars, prestige cars costing £50,000, £60,000, stolen in 30-40 seconds.
The West Midlands is one of the UK's hotspots for vehicle-related theft. Police and Crime Commissioner David Jameson is calling on the car industry to do more.
Some of the prestige cars are sold on whole. They're very often exported. We found in some cases within hours they're at a port in a container ready to go abroad. I think what the manufacturers have done is done things that the consumer wants. They want efficient cars, they want the cars to look good, but what I'm saying to them is you've got to look at the security as well, and that's an area where they've just taken their eye off the ball. They should get on and face up to their responsibilities and make sure their cars are secure for their customers.
To read our full investigation and to find out which cars are most likely to be stolen using this method, visit which.co.uk/keyless cars.